Welcome back to the channel, and today we're taking a close look at one of the most exciting luxury coupes of the year, the new 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE. This car replaces both the C-Class Coupe and the E-Class Coupe, bringing together luxury, sportiness, and modern technology in one stunning package. If you love sleek design, powerful performance, and premium comfort, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE might just be the coupe everyone has been waiting for. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE immediately grabs attention with its elegant and sporty design. The front features a bold diamond grille with the large Mercedes star proudly sitting in the center, giving the car a confident and premium look. The slim LED headlights are sharper than ever and flow beautifully into the sculpted hood, creating a very aggressive yet refined front profile. Moving to the side, the long hood and smooth coupe roofline give the CLE a very athletic stance. The frameless doors and large alloy wheels add even more style, making the car look both luxurious and sporty at the same time. Around the back, you'll notice the sleek LED taillights connected by a subtle design line that enhances the width of the car. The rear bumper with sporty exhaust outlets completes the premium coupe appearance, making the 2026 CLE one of the most attractive Mercedes coupes in years. Step inside the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE and you'll immediately feel the luxury that Mercedes is famous for. The cabin is beautifully crafted with high-quality leather, aluminum accents, and soft-touch materials everywhere. The dashboard is dominated by a large 11.9-inch vertical touchscreen that runs the latest MBUX infotainment system, paired with a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display. Everything feels modern, clean, and very high-tech. Ambient lighting with multiple colors adds a futuristic atmosphere at night, while the sporty steering wheel and premium seats provide both comfort and style. The CLE Coupe also offers surprisingly good space for a two-door car, with supportive rear seats and a decent trunk for everyday use. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, a premium Burmester sound system, and advanced driver assistance systems make the interior feel like a true luxury experience. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE offers a range of powerful and efficient engines. The standard CLE 300 comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with mild hybrid technology, producing around 255 horsepower and delivering smooth acceleration with impressive fuel efficiency. For drivers who want more excitement, the CLE 450 features a turbocharged inline-6 engine producing about 375 horsepower, delivering strong power and a thrilling driving experience. Both engines are paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission and the available 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, providing excellent traction and stability. The suspension is tuned to balance comfort and sportiness, so the CLE feels refined on highways while still being fun on winding roads. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE is expected to start at around $56,000 for the CLE 300 model, while the more powerful CLE 450 can reach around $68,000 depending on options and packages. Considering the design, luxury features, advanced technology, and powerful performance, the CLE offers a strong value in the luxury coupe segment. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE successfully combines elegance, performance, and modern innovation into one stylish coupe. It replaces two iconic models and does so with confidence, offering a fresh design, luxurious interior, and powerful engines that make every drive feel special. If you're looking for a coupe that delivers both luxury and excitement, the new Mercedes-Benz CLE is definitely worth paying attention to. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more exciting car reviews coming soon.